How to get DuoLingo Math and Music. Let's dive into the tutorial. Firstly, open the DuoLingo app on your mobile device. Once opened, all you have to do is tap on the flag icon available in the top left corner of your screen. Currently, I am learning Japanese, so you can see the Japan flag available there. Simply tap on that flag in the top left corner, and you can see a drop down up here. From there, you can see there is a courses available of music and math. You will find options to switch between languages, maths, and music courses here. But if you don't find this, then all you have to do is go back to the home screen and tap on the App Store. Then inside the App Store, tap on the search address bar and type down Duolingo. Then tap on the Duolingo app, and if you see update option available right next to the Duolingo, then simply update the Duolingo to its latest version. So that is it. After you update it, you will get to see the maths and music course available inside it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.